As they rummage through the attic, two siblings come across a mysterious book tucked away in a corner. In a whirlwind of magic, the siblings find themselves transported into a lush, enchanted forest within the book's pages. A forlorn maiden appears before them, pleading for assistance in finding her shattered glass slipper before a fateful ball. Together, they scour the opulent palace surroundings in search of the missing piece, hoping to mend Cinderella's shattered dream. With nimble fingers and determined hearts, the siblings work fervently to mend the broken slipper, offering a glimmer of hope to their new friend. Dark figures observe the siblings' progress, their malevolent intent casting a shadow over the impending repair. Time ticks away as the siblings manage to fix the slipper just in time, a beacon of hope amidst impending despair. With the slipper restored, the maiden gracefully ascends the grand staircase, her presence radiant with newfound possibility. As quickly as they arrived, the siblings are whisked away from the fairy tale realm, their hearts forever touched by the magic they encountered.